Guys, the off-road outlaws today, and so mud. So what?
Do you want to watch your truck?
Let's see. Let's go desert. And then we're finding some gold today. Oh my god. Oh my god. So, trying to find some gold and then I'm going to go to a multiplayer game with Xander. And I see gold over there. Oh! That is 14 gold. And then there's another one right over there. That is 27 gold. Ooh. And I see another one. Or maybe that's just mud. Actually, it's a box. I got 17 gold. And there's another one on the hill. And I got 33. And I just downloaded Off-Road Outlaws again. And it's a new channel, so because mine got deleted for some reason. And I don't know.
So this will be the first Off-Road Outlaws episode of this channel. Again, I guess you could say.
Oh, freak. What am I doing?
Dang it.
Freaking heckin'.
Dang it.
Dang heck. What am I doing? Ow. Oh my god. Was there water under there? Oh, freak. I don't know. Let's see. I think that's enough gold for right now. So I'm gonna exit, and I have 112 gold. I'm working on getting 1,000, so I'm not gonna spend it. And now I'm gonna get on that multiplayer with Xander. And then I'll teach you how to make a truck if you don't know how to, I guess. This truck is dented up. I mean, Jeep. Well, I cleaned it. So now I'm going to get, also, just so you know, there's only boy characters.
So you just have to deal with it.
And I just have to deal with it, which I don't like it.
I guess it is.
That's why that's the only reason I deleted it. So if you think I'm a boy, I'm a girl. Because you can't. If you think I'm a boy in Off-Road Outlaws, I'm not, because we don't have, there's no girls in Off-Road Outlaws.
I guess you could say, if Alfred Outlaw sees this, please make an update with girls.
But if Off-Road Outlaws sees this, please make girl characters. So,
Because you would be a lot happier playing. Okay, I don't know.
I can scream right now.
Are you ready?
Okay, now I'm gonna join a multiplayer game with Xander. So let's see. Wait, what? Where is it? Okay, right there. So,
Which one?
so Xander's gonna tell me the code, and we're gonna play it, but I don't know.
I'm not recording it on my channel, so I won't have it on my YouTube.
Okay, that's the code Twitch. So I'm joining it, and I'm here. Oh my god. Where it is? Oh my god, there's a house. Oh, hi Xander. I just saw you.
Your name is Boghawk 5.
I still have to change my name. But I'm going to change it to Bad Husky 10.
Because that's your Among Us name.
Because that's my Among Us name, and I like huskies, and
And you might record some videos on Among Us.
the husky died. A car. Stupid car.
Or Husky.
A husky died from a car in a shed. That car's mean. It's the meanest I've ever saw.
You didn't see it. And plus, it's the person that we're driving.
Well, true, I didn't see it. Oh, freak. What is this? Where is this? Mine is not a broken car. What am I doing? Oh, freak. Let's see. I have to... What? How do you get out of this? Oh. Okay. I'm getting out of this. Oof. There. Oh. Wait. What? That's a different person's car. How is it in here? So this is basically the map. I don't think, is this a boat ramp? Oh yes, I'm going in the water. Yes, oh.
Swim lessons.
I need a swimming lesson. Whoops.
We did some digs. We should try 2 achievements.
Okay, but if you want to join, the code is 7866.
They can. It's not a live video.
if you want to join, just remember the code is 7866, and we might be out. Maybe. Anyways, I'm gonna leave, and I think that's enough for the video today, and I'm going to make another car soon in the next video, so I'm going to go ahead and end the video, so yeah. So,
subscribe if you like the video.
Subscribe if you like the video, and like if you like the video. What did I just say? I have no idea.
What was the end of the video? Oh, you could do a joke for the end of the video every time.
Also, I'm gonna start doing a joke for the end of the video. But why do you brush your teeth before bed? Because it's too messy to brush them in bed. This is the end of the video. Okay, so I'm gonna end it now.